Want to know how much your competitors are making on Amazon? I'm talking about not just any specific listing, in total, how much they make from Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pull sales figure for the last 30 days for their whole shop, how much they're making. So once you have logged into Amazon, you can just select the listing, one of their listing. And if it's on sub and save, you have to switch it back to one-time purchase. So that will show you their shop name over here. You can see sold by, this is the shop name. So you have to click on the shop name. That will take you to the profile page. And from here, you have to scroll down and you can see products and see all products. Click on see all products. And you can see from here, there are 7 products that they are selling at the moment. And all you have to do is to click on Helium 10 and run an X-ray. So that will populate all their products, the 7 products, and how much in terms of sales that they got in the last 30 days. This is how easy it is. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.